range of torque-limiting screwdrivers, comprising the TLS, minor and standard models. Torque-limiting screwdrivers are designed as a production line assembly tool and are perfect for applications throughout industry. These tools are preset against a torque analyzer, preventing accidental or incorrect adjustment by the operator. The precision slipping mechanism makes them perfect for tightening small fasteners in areas like electronics, telecommunications and instrumentation. A wide range of models are available, covering an overall torque range of 0.5 cm to 13.5 Nm or 120 pound-force inches maximum. Each screwdriver is supplied with its own certificate of calibration. A choice of drive types is offered on most tools, either a 1/4 inch male square for use with sockets, or a 1/4 inch female hexagon for use with screwdriver bits and blades. The anodised aluminium handles are available in 4 colours: red, gold, green or blue. These colours can be used to identify different settings or denote the correct tool for the fastener. Torque adjustment is made using either an analogue or digital torque analyzer, in this case a Torqueleader MTS model. Removal of the dust cap reveals the adjusting screw. This is simply rotated using a 3/16 hexagon key until the correct value is shown on the analyzer. At low torques, the risk of over-tightening the fastener is increased. Torque-limiting screwdrivers eliminate this risk by slipping free at the set torque, making it impossible for the operator to apply more than the chosen value. There are 6 low shock resets per revolution, minimising operator fatigue. Torque-limiting screwdrivers are also available with a one-way option, where the mechanism locks, allowing the tool to be used for loosening in the anti-clockwise direction. To increase the leverage of the model, the TLS 1360 model features a T-bar at the end of the handle, retained by the dust cap. For more information about the torque-limiting screwdrivers, please visit our website at www.torqueleader.com.